Open House SAT. And Sunday, April 25th and 26th. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Mid-century brick ranch offering easy and convenient one-floor living in a great Portage location. Spacious living room with natural light streaming from the expansive windows. Primary bedroom features an ensuite bath with charming retro tile. Hallway bath includes a walk-in retro tiled shower. 2 additional bedrooms, including one with a separate entry, perfect for a home office or guest space. Enjoy a fenced backyard with multiple perennial garden areas, plus a generous patio with covered porch area, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Oversized 2-car garage with access to the storm cellar completes the package. Property is